So Mail is an email client making API calls which allows users to send and receive emails. It was developed in Python's Django web framework, and the user's interface was made thanks to JavaScript. The first functionality is sending emails, so I'm logged in as a base user. When I click compose, I can compose a new email. And then I'm prompted that the email was sent successfully. I can see it was sent successfully. And then I'm loaded to my inbox. The mailbox functionality looks like this. When I click on the inbox, I have a display of inbox emails. When I click send, I can see my sent emails. When I click archived button, I can see all emails that were moved to this folder. As you can probably notice, the mails in the mailbox have these show from whom they were sent. They are showing the subject of the mail and the timestamp. The white format indicates that the mail was unread. The gray formatting shows that the email has been already read. When I open the email icon and get back, the formatting comes back to gray, meaning that this email was already read. Viewing email requires you to click on the mail, then you are presented with the content of the mail, meaning from whom this email was sent, who was the recipient or the recipients, what was the subject, what was the timestamp, and the body of the email. Then we have this archive button functionality, which means when I click this, the mail disappears from the inbox mailbox and is moved to the archived folder. In the archived folder, I have Unarchive button, which mirrors the archive button, meaning that I want to move this archived email back to inbox. Here it is again. The reply functionality allows me to reply to the email. For example, I open this email from a bar, I click reply, and then I move to the compose form, which is already pre-filled. So the recipient address was already pre-filled. RE was prepended to the subject. I have this string information which was prepended to the body of the previous email, and then I can append my email. So that was all. I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks.